Young Chop on the beat.
Lost souls up. It's lost souls. And the no Iris and Rovers. Hey, let's go. Hey, hey. These bitches lost souls up. Oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap souls up. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for soul, so you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of bro boys. Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boys. Lost souls up, and they love them glow boys. Know we from the go boy, but we cannot go boy. No, I don't know old boy, I know he's a bro boy. Rarries and Rovers, convertible Lambos boy. You know I got bands boy, and it's in my pants boy. Disrespect them old boys, you won't speak again boy. Don't think that I'm playing boy. No, we don't use hands boy. No, we don't do friends boy. Collect bands on the landlord. I get lots of commas, I can fuck your mama. I ain't with the drama, you can meet my llama. Riding with 300 for us. These bitches see cheese sauce, I swear I got they all now. These bitches lost souls, oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boss, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheese sauce. Hit on with that Cobra, now that boy slumped over. They do it all for soul, so you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of bro boys. Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boy. Don't make me call me Rose boy, he 6 double low boy. And he keep that pole boy, you gon' get fucked over. Bitch, I done so soda, and I done so coca. She gon' clap for Sosa, he gon' clap for Sosa. They do it for Sosa, them hoes that do it for Sosa. They don't want that Molly water, so nigga be cool like water. Before you get hit with this lava, bitch on that trending topic. Don't care no price, I copy me, and yo bitch steady jocking me. These bitches love Sosa, oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boss, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and Rovers, these hoes are cheap souls. Hit on with that Cobra, now that
what up, chat?
They do it all for soul, so you boys ain't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy, your clip full of.
How y'all boys doing?
Got y'all some robots, got y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys, we got lots of dope boy.
All right, we're here, bro. We're getting it. How's everyone feeling? How's everyone doing, bro? You know, we the little stream on fucking YouTube right now. Simple. You don't like it? Sign off. We don't need you here. We got too many supporters, honestly. If you hate on me right now, get off. We don't need none of that energy tonight. We're about to catch a fucking banger with the boys. Simple. And if you don't like it, if you don't like bangers, sign off. Simple. I need some more music, though. What song should we put? Yeah, you're faded. Hey, something light.
Young Chop on the beat.
Sometimes you gotta get it, bro. Congrats, Dad, to be. Thank you, Vanessa. Appreciate you.
A snitch, nigga, that's that shit I don't like. No. A bitch, nigga, that's that shit I don't like. No. Sneak this that's that shit I don't like. No. Don't like. A snitch, nigga, that's that shit I don't like. Yeah, don't like. Yeah.
Alright, boys, let's get started, boys. Let's break down these charts. I know I pulled up a little late, but we're right in time for London session, boys. Shout out to everybody who's in here. I know you guys are the fucking real ones. It might not be a lot of streamers, viewers today, but it's the real ones who are here with me. That's all I give a fuck about. All right. So I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Let's talk about this banger that we caught last night. So last night we identified this little zone here. What the fuck is up with this shit? So last night we identified this little zone here as a fake out, right? Once that fake out came, we know that the breakout above here is valid. Clean fucking trade, bro. 100 pips. Something like... I told my chat that I closed around like 80 pips, 90 pips. Sometimes you gotta close up there, man. Yeah, we're scalpers, but sometimes them runners run, man. And especially at the beginning of the week, we like to catch some runners. Am I screaming? Am I screaming? Well, I don't give a fuck, bro. It's my stream. I can scream if I want. Simple. Alright, let's do this shit. 30-minute time frame. Let's look at GJ, what we can see for tonight. We're bouncing right off that area. We came up to the zone here last night. Damn, bro, we came all the way back down. That's insane. So that's my hourly range. Honestly, looking at this time frame, we could take the same buy we took last night. Well, the same buy was down here, but it's looking like the same exact shit's about to happen. Let's look at the 2-hour time frame. Yeah, that shit's about to flip bullish. If this candle here closes bullish and breaks the high at the open, we're in for a trade, boys. Simple trade. That's if it waits. This is how I'm looking at it. We're about to make a bag tonight, bro. Like we do every night, right? It's been like on the regular recently. Now, is it gonna wait for us, right? Yeah, I'm late, but I still wait for candle closures. I got you, Patty. Don't even stress. I got you. Chat, who is in the 7-day bootcamp today? Dale, ¿dónde podemos nuestra tarea? Bro, mañana yo le voy a decir dónde mandarla, bro. No te preocupes. Damn, bro, it's just not waiting, boys. We got a minute. And it looks like it just wants to pump, bro. Shout out to the 276 people in here. We literally just started stream. Yo, what if she starts banning people with the opposite viewpoint? Nah, she won't do that. Patty's a beast. Patty won't do that. Guys, no trade here, man. Honestly. We closed 2 above that area. 30-minute time frame does look nice, but no trade for me. If it would have waited, boys. If it would have waited, we would have had a trade here in 2 minutes. Ooh, this song is so good. Chat, put it on the chat if you like this song. Or do you guys not hear it? Let's get the gang in here, boys. You can't hear me? Yeah, boys, it just closed way above my range, right? So no trade here for me. Potential buys above this zone here. That's my next entry level. I've got some issues that nobody can see. What up, boys? How y'all boys doing? Yo, what up, Danny? How you doing, brother? How you doing?
Good,
Are you in a
good,
trade
good.
right now? You look like you're in a trade.
Yeah, I'm already done.
You looking like you're about to
I,
close.
yeah, I got in UJ at 134.12. Nice little 30 pips.
Jeez, that shit flew, brother. What was it? Point
Yeah,
12? Holy
point
shit,
12
sniper.
right off the
Clean.
200. Yeah, it was
That
nice
was clean.
ones.
Damn, bro. I wish I would have gotten here just a little bit earlier.
I was
Like
in
the move.
snipes. I was in snipes zone. I thought he was there.
What's up with Snipes? Did he catch a trade?
He's in gold buys right now.
How's that going?
He's like around break even right now. I think it's 1994.3. I think.
I've got some issues that nobody can see.
But honestly, I like
Damn, he's in
GJ
gold,
Long.
gold buys? Why?
He was expecting a 4-hour flip, he said. Damn, Euro USD short. Everything looking good tonight, honestly.
I see gold sells underneath this level here, though.
I do too, just because I'm bullish on the dollar.
Bro, yeah. I mean, bro, it's like, dude, the dollar has been dropping, dude, so hard.
And we're at the, like, yeah, if you go to the weekly, that's literally the lowest we can go almost.
Yo, back. We have been pumping, though.
Fib.
We pumped since 21. 22 hit.
Yeah,
Like, nah.
But we're not gonna let the dollar just fall like that.
They're not gonna do it, bro. There has to be some sort of retracement, bro. The banks are like, holy fuck, bro, guys, what's going on? Oh, I see sells below on gold, boys. We might take this position here if we decide to. 27 minutes here. We have potential trade on GJ. Honestly, guys, I want to see buys above above 168, bro. It's the only way I'm buying GJ. I'm not gonna buy GJ in the middle of that shitty ass range, bro. EJ, if we get a buy a closure above this zone here, honestly. Look left. Yo, EJ's on the way to the moon, bro.
Thanks.
What's up with the Euro New Zealand?
Nah, nothing I like.
Oh my god, that shit's fucking flying, bro.
Look at Euro USD, bro.
Dude,
Yesterday was
bro, you
your
literally
move.
bought right here.
Yeah, I know.
Jesus Christ, imagine if it would have held.
I know, but fucking funders don't let you hold over the weekends and shit.
I feel that.
At least mine.
Yeah. What they say. They're for the trader though. Fucking cap asses. They ain't for shit, bro. They're just for people failing challenges. I'm still here. Let's get to explore places. Yo, shout out to every motherfuckers in here tonight. I know we're late today, but we're here, man. We're about to catch a banger. Especially Danny's in here, bro. There's no chance we're not. No chance we're not catching a banger, bro. Do you like my buy stops? 1997 buys above on gold. What do you think?
1997. Yeah, honestly, I don't even want to touch gold just because there's news at 10. But over 2000, you see 2008.
Yeah. Chat, put a W in the chat if you guys want to catch a dub tonight, man. You guys got to set the mood, man. If not, this shit don't work out like that, honestly. Like, we got to get a bunch of likes, bro. And a bunch of W's. If not, we'll lose, boys. I can guarantee that. There you go. I see a lot of winners in the fucking chat. Sometimes we just gotta fucking win, man. Need it for nothing. Yo, chat, put a one in the chat if you guys caught my GJ buys from last night and held that shit. One's in the chat, man. I made a bag last night. All you guys need to do is just fucking... Sometimes you gotta hold, bro. I know we're scalpers and shit. But at the end of the day, you gotta hold, man. What's Snipe's stop loss?
I have no idea.
Alright, let me check his shot. Oh, he closed full. What a pussy. No, I'm kidding. Snipes, it's okay, brother. If you're listening to me, you get the next one, brother.
This guy.
Yeah. Yo, he's been killing the charts though, boys. So he lost one. What are you gonna say? Look, he's right here. What's up with this guy? Bro, why doesn't he have monetization on, bro? I was about to... Hey, buddy.
Crazy right now.
Let's see what's up with the boy.
This shit's going crazy right now. What do you guys think? You charge to pass the challenge, doctor? Yes, I do. DM me on my Instagram and we could get you started. I passed them within 2 or 3 weeks. What the fuck happened, bro? Don't even ask me. This is not even tradable. This shit is not even fucking tradable, bro.
What do you mean, brother? To sell? Not kidding.
That was
Yo,
whack.
Oh wait, you guys
Didn't think
don't
that
hear
would
it.
go like that.
Damn, did he get stopped out or he closed that
Thank
break?
you, dollar. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you too, brother.
What a beast.
Thanks for holding
I
it
love
down.
this guy.
Thank you, brother.
You're a clown, bitch.
Bro, price just took me out at break even. Yeah.
Yo, I'm a menace, bro. They should have never gave me this fucking They should have never gave me a mod on Snipe's channel. The guy just got banned. All right, boys, we're waiting. We're waiting here. I think that if we do come up and break the highs that Snipes is trying to buy, I think we're good to go, bro. He just needs to give his trade a second chance, and I'm here to take his second chance. There are 2 songs playing. Yeah, it's Snipes and me. Sometimes you gotta let it rip. Bro, did Botero tell you what he was doing last night?
No.
It's like, bro, I was around a whole bunch of gay people and I don't feel too good.
What the hell?
Not because they were gay, but they gave him some shit. I don't know what it was. I was like, bro, please go get checked. Yo, everybody put RIP Botero in the chat. He said they were cool though. So what happens when you go to Philly, bro? He's like, I'm taking the day off. He's so funny. Is he walking funny? Nah, that shit clap. That shit clap when he walks. Well, Mr. GJ, Cell was on point at the end. Cells was on point. Oh wow, bro, you're gonna sell right here? Wow, you're such a good trader, bro. Come on, dude. There was no confirmations for that fucking sell, dude. Is that news? Is there news? Oh, I don't want to listen to no stoner playlist, bro. What is this shit? Yo, chat. I wasn't gonna go live today, man. I honestly wasn't. But I did it for y'all. Can we get some dubs for that or no? Or is that not how we do things around here? Damn, low key. It's news. Let's take a look. Oh shit, there was a little bit of news here. Nah, bro. This isn't news, chat. This is pussy news. This is what
At
like
10 is that news.
10, bro. 10 is gonna be insane. Consumer confidence? What does that mean? Like how much people are spending and shit?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, all they have to do is look at my giveaways. That'll be good news. Bro, switch it to metal mines? I don't know what that is, bro. No chance in hell I'm switching it to that. Hey Dollar, what are you looking at right now? I'm looking at gold here. I was gonna buy gold on the flip, but I'm looking to buy gold here, man. Look at the highs. The only thing I don't like about this buy stop, boys, is this hourly candle, bro. But honestly, if I do get triggered, I'm moving my stops like 10 pips in profit to break even. So we'll see, boys. We'll see. I don't have buy stops set here yet, so we'll put buy stops with closure. Buys above a closure. Because right now, I'm not feeling it too much. Shit, Snipes got back in. Dollar, yesterday I made 18K, biggest day. Damn, bro, you made more than me. Savage. What's up, Kyle? How you doing, brother?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What's up, bro? You're new to the group. How's it going, bro?
Good. Just going through all the. It was good to have that first day today with the course and just trying to get the homework done. And I'm a little bit new to the Forex space, so
Oh, yeah?
got about 8 months of trading, but just it's a pretty simple strategy. So I'm liking it right now. It's making sense to me. You know, I see the setups. I just got to get the reps in and stuff like this. So appreciate what you guys are doing too. Really helps.
Anytime, bro. I appreciate you being here, bro. So how do you feel you've been trading for what, 8 months? How do you feel like it has gone, bro, so far?
I think it's been good. Yeah. So I guess I started my like trading education 8 months ago. You know, first time ever seeing candlesticks and all that good stuff. And so it's been good though, like just the amount of resources that are out there. And I did a lot of like automated trading bots as well. Got a little experience with like MQL5 and like, you know,
Oh shit, yeah.
So
I have a little bit of experience with those, bro.
Yeah. Dude, those martingale bots are no joke.
Yeah, I mean they do good until they don't, right?
No, they don't. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's been interesting. I had I tried Forex or first class Forex funds or whatever that was, and first month put away like 17K with the martingale bot, but I kind of want to get into the manual side. It seems like it's just more consistent and more controlled. So
100%, bro. I feel like whenever you put your dependency on a bot, bro, that shit always lets you down, bro. Like, cause as much as you want to control the ball, like, there's no chance of controlling it, right? You can close, you can close, you can turn off the bot and end the losing day, but then it's like, yo, that day might have been a 4% day. You know what I mean? Right. So it's like, bro, like whenever you learn the skill, bro, you're gonna be able to take these entries and just be like, okay, I'm in, bro, and I know exactly how much I'm gonna risk. I know exactly how much I'm gonna make as well. And it's like, bro, it's fucking winning day, bro, whether you win or lose. Because at the end of the day, I feel like whenever you put your confidence on a bot, bro, it's like it's not the same as like you catching that trade, you executing that trade, you making the whole analysis for that trade, and then winning, bro. Like nothing feels better, bro.
It's super. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. And just kind of like what you guys went over at the beginning of the chat about mindset and all that. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Like, especially taking like just some of the L's early on. Like, you just learn those lessons a lot. You just learn them. You know, it's good that you guys try to, you know, tell people up front. But sometimes the only way to learn is to, you know, take the L's and be like, oh yeah,
take the L's. Yeah, a lot of people are they're scared to take the L's, bro. They're like, oh, maybe I shouldn't execute because I might lose. But bro, that's what being a trader is, bro. Every time I execute a position, I might lose. Like there's a 20-30% chance that trade is not gonna go my way. Whether I have all the confirmations and all the shit going my way, like there's still a possibility of me losing, bro. But once you're okay with that possibility and you're able to risk it on positions, bro, that's when you make a lot of money, bro. Because a lot of people, what they do, like new traders, what they do is, oh, this is the perfect setup, and then they don't execute. And then it plays out, and then they get in later. You know, and then they get in the entry where it wasn't the precise entry, where you knew it was at the beginning of the session. Now you're trying to take a riskier trade, and now it's like fucking you up. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Yeah, the hesitation.
Yeah, and the main thing is the thing that's gonna get you less hesitant, right? Because that's all it is, just being hesitant, right? So once you start to get less hesitant, is when you start to like execute those positions, bro, and just be in the trade, bro, and just be happy, bro, that you like a dub is being able to execute that trade and following your plan while executing that trade. Exactly. You know, like if you followed your plan, whether you win or lose, you're a winner, bro. Like that's how I see it. Like I could lose today taking this buy stop, taking this buys above the closure. If it closes, it has a bottom wick, it breaks the highs, I'm in. If it loses, okay, it's just the probabilities, bro. We'll come back tomorrow. It's not like I'm gonna quit, right? Like, bro, this is my this is my livelihood. Like, how am I gonna quit? My whole fucking life depends on this shit.
Right. Well, it's that discipline, right? I'll do I'll watch Don Bo and Official Wins in the mornings for like.
I love both of them, bro. They're
Yeah.
two goats, bro.
They say the
Honestly.
same exact thing you're saying. I'm just like, this makes so much sense to me right now. Like,
I
this
mean, bro. If
Yeah.
everybody's saying it, it's like you gotta start listening, right? It's
Yep.
not like we're just faking to speak. It's just because we've experienced it, bro.
Yep.
And then you know what hurts more than losing a trade? Like not taking the position that you knew was gonna win and not executing it.
Right.
You know what I mean? It's like, why not execute it, bro? Like, bro, there's so many times where I second guess an entry, but I just enter because I have the confirmations. You know, it's like, yeah, I second guessed it, but at the end of the day, my trading plan says to get in. So why am I not in, right? And if I don't get in, that's a loss. You know?
Exactly. Yep. No, I couldn't agree more. And I found myself being hesitant, and that's kind of just I took that as an indication of like, hey, you just need to learn your rules better. That way, it's like, okay, I'm confident in the trade, but I'm forcing myself to take just small positions just to get the feel, just to with that risk tolerance and the rules and stuff. So I'm just gonna go slow first couple weeks and then ramp up to some kind of challenge account. I think at this point.
Oh yeah. Yeah, bro, I think challenge is the best way to go. I mean, you heard it in the chat, bro. This guy went fucking almost broke, like fucking credits and shit. $20,000, $50,000 in debt now, like. But he eventually got his way out of it. But dude, imagine what stress that fucking built on you, bro.
Right, and I appreciate it. I think it was Eric was his name,
Yeah.
and I really appreciate people giving those kinds of like rock bottom stories because they really are the.
And I tried to get some profitable traders in there too, bro, because that guy's been killing it, bro. He kills it now, right? But it's like, I want you guys to understand that, like, bro, like what you're feeling and what you're going through is like, it's not. Everybody thinks that what they're going through is like nobody else is feeling what they're going through. You get what I'm saying? So once that becomes more normal, it becomes easier to deal with.
Right,
But
and just
little-
talk about and like you said, yeah, just deal with, like you're expecting to feel that kind of stress, and it's like, okay, this is what the normal.
And then it's just the work that's gonna get you out of that, bro. I think a lot of people, what they do is they're scared to put in the work and they're scared to fucking bet on themselves, bro. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. Like, if I didn't put in the work early on to take a trade, like to fucking risk a little bit of money, to invest in myself, to gamble on myself, like, it wouldn't have played out, bro. And it's like, I needed to win those trades. I needed to lose those trades to understand where this can take me.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? So it's like,
Totally.
if I just eliminate like the stupid little mistakes that I'm making, like that's when I just grow, you know?
Yep.
So it's like, I mean, and I still make mistakes to this day, bro. Like I've only been trading for about what, 2.5 years now. So it's like, I'm still gonna make those mistakes, and those are just points where I can just learn, bro. Like, and I enjoy it, bro. Like sometimes I take a loss, bro, and you see me here fucking laughing. I just lost fucking $4,000, and I'm here laughing. You know, it's like, but what did I do right in that position? Did I manage my trade? Did I close half when maybe lows were being broken? Like that's why I'm able to laugh, because I built that trading plan around it. Where now I can laugh because I did the correct things and the trade still didn't go my way.
Right. Or I think I
So-
saw it was either you or some other streamer that I was watching basically go through like a winning. It's the same kind of mindset. Like you can have a winning trade for the wrong reasons, and that's an L still. And I can't remember. I thought it was you because you were kind of being sarcastic about like, hey, like I should have taken this and it worked out, you know. And
Yeah,
that,
it's the lucky trades, right? The lucky trades is what builds bad habits, bro.
right.
Like
Exactly.
whenever you
Bad
take a gambler entry and you're like, I win, now you're gonna look for that gambler entry every time. You know what I mean?
Right.
And then it's like, yo, why am I losing? Because you're not taking the trades of confirmation. You're taking the trades of feeling with emotion, right?
Right.
But
Which
whenever you eliminate the emotions,
Right.
it's when you start thinking logically, bro. I mean, bro, that's what's really helped me out, bro. The main thing that's helped me out is being able to look at the charts and being able to see, okay, am I thinking about this trade or am I just entering? You know,
Right.
like being able to mark up all my confluences of why I should take this trade and then executing based off that trade, off the confirmations it gives me. Fuck what I feel, bro. I trade what I see, you know. Like that's how I see it every day, bro. Like if I don't get this candle closure above my blue line, then I can watch this trade fly 800 pips, and it was just not my trade to take. It's about being okay with that move leaving, right? It's about seeing, and then maybe we can learn a couple things from this trade if it does decide to fly, right? And how
Right.
can we maybe execute on the next position that sets up just like this? So like whenever I feel like, oh, I should be in this position, but then that's a feeling, right? Like, oh, I
Right.
should be in this position. Like, no, it's not telling me to be in yet, so that's why I'm not in.
Yeah.
And little by little, you start to see, okay, this position is setting up pretty clean. Let me execute. That's like that know-how, that confidence in saying, okay, I know this is gonna fly now. That's when you actually execute, you know?
Right.
But like every day, bro, every day I look for the same thing. Like right now, there's still 9 minutes and 40 seconds for this candle to close. If you think I'm gonna execute right here, you're tripping balls. You know, I'm just a trader waiting for closures. And if you guys don't like it, you can find the other gambler, like the other streamer that's gambling. Like,
Yep.
I mean, in my eyes, it's gambling. Maybe it works for them, but in my eyes, it's just there's no trade here yet. You know, the trade was down here, which I had marked out.
Yeah.
But there was also still no confirmations for my strategy to confidently take that trade, right?
Right. So yeah, you're just waiting for the close above and then a flip.
The close above, bro. Even this trade's still risky though because of all these wicks, right?
Yeah.
This is when we start looking at like the bigger time frames to tell us, okay, like what's the risk I'm taking if the candle does close above my blue line and I execute this position? If I execute this position, I know why I will lose, right? Because I know that there's a rejection wick here, right? So now if I execute and it starts rejecting, now I can look to close half our break even. Now I can look to close half below the lows or something like that. You get me? I'm still not in. So like I like to think about how I'm going to manage the trade once I'm in the position. But these rejection wicks are the risk that we're taking to execute this trade and risk actually winning the trade, right? It's the risk, bro. Like you got to take the risk in order to lose or to win. But if you don't risk, there's no win or loss. So it's just about waiting for this candle to close. We have fucking what, 8 minutes? If this candle closes above the blue line, we execute, and if it plays out, it plays out. If not, we come back tomorrow and we fucking win.
Yeah,
You
I think
know,
the
like-
biggest thing I learned from the new forex strategy that you guys are doing is just how to interpret the wicks on either side, and it's been really helpful, honestly. Just like, okay, if I'm gonna go long on something, I'm gonna try and look for some kind of lower liquidity grab and then go, or vice versa. And that one's been really helpful. I didn't really see that before until I started trading this strategy.
Yeah, so look, like right now, what are the wicks telling you, right? There's a wick rejection and it closed below here, right? A wick rejection, it closed below here. A wick rejection and closed below here. So if we get a candle closure above my blue line, that's no longer a wick rejection zone. That's now a breakout zone where we can come up and fill all these wicks, right? So if we could get this candle closure right here, then that's when I'm able to execute, because now the wicks told me that it was saying no, but the candle closed above here telling me yes. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, if you guys were taking buys here, like that's fucked, bro, because there's still no confirmations above our little level here that we have drawn out, right?
And you
So
wouldn't
once it
take
closes
anything
above,
until you close above the highs, basically.
like at least the bodies, bro. Like what I'm looking at right here is just these bodies. If we close within those bodies and we get a nice bottom wick to then come up and break the highs, then I'm in. To then potentially keep flying up. Exactly, bro. Because now these wicks is no longer a rejection area. It's a candle closure zone if we close. That's how I see it.
Right.
And bro, like at the same time, bro, like it can close above and it can still fucking bleed, right?
Yeah.
So it's like I don't like to give advice for that reason, bro, because I can give you the fucking best advice and then like it might not work out for you today. But if you use my advice and use it for 6 months, 3 months, it's gonna play out. And if you apply it correctly too, right? I can tell people how to trade all day long, but do they apply what I'm saying correctly? You get what I'm saying? Like that's what it takes from being profitable and not profitable. Everybody comes on here and the people who are losing with my strategy, they're like, bro, I'm using your same exact strategy and I'm losing. So how am I on a 10 trade win streak? You feel me? Like, so clearly you're not using it correctly, and clearly I'm able to look at these moves go by. Like yesterday, bro. Look, let's talk about yesterday. So right here, yesterday we saw this move happen, right? This whole little move here happen. We saw this whole trade bleed, and I didn't execute that push, right? Why? Because there was just no confirmations on the 30-minute time frame for me to execute on this position here. I mean, there was kind of. But looking at a trade in hindsight, there's always an entry point. When you're looking at it in the live market, it just does whatever it wants. The reason why I didn't execute is because this candle here didn't have a top wick, right? So whenever I see a candle with no top wick, if 90% of candles have a top wick, why am I gonna risk executing on a candle with no top wick, right? I'd rather just wait, let this candle fly by, and then just get the confirmations whenever price decides. And if let's say, if price decided to close below this area here, I would have been in sells. And price would have most likely dropped, right? because we got that the confirmation. But since we didn't get the confirmation, now we reject to then push up.
Avoiding losses. Trading is more about avoiding losses than it is wins sometimes, I feel like.
It's just being patient, waiting for the setup to actually play out, bro. A lot of people want to rush the entry for sells here. Before we broke the low. But when I look at the 30-minute time frame, look at where this candlestick closed. If I draw out, now I had this level here drawn out, but when I'm looking and seeing where my entry should be, we needed to close below here. You feel what I'm saying? So we never got that closure below there, so there's no trade until what? Until we get that closure below my area. And then I'm willing to risk it on sells, right? But until then, I'm bullish. If I'm not bearish, I'm bullish, right? That's how I see it. So if I'm not willing to execute sells and I get confirmation for buys, look at this, bro. Like, how are you not gonna, like, yesterday was probably the cleanest trade I've taken all year. Why? Because now, guess what? We failed to close on the 30-minute time frame below my zone, right? Where the fuck is that shit? So we failed to close below the 30-minute time frame on my zone, below my zone. So now I'm looking at the 15-minute, right? Now the 15-minute is showing me what? What would this tell you, Kyle? I know you haven't been trading for a while, but what would this tell you? If we have massive candle, bitch ass candles.
Oh yeah, your momentum's slowing way down.
It's slowing down, so that's the bottom of the push, right? So even here, massive candle, wicks, push up, right? And I can show you so many examples, bro. Like,
I cannot believe how accurate some of the zones are sometimes. I'm just like, that candle literally dropped, or like some wick literally hit exactly where I drew this on this chart. I'm like, and it's hit there 4 other times. It's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but that's why I always say to, like, if you don't have your candlesticks, if you don't have your zones accurate, then your trades aren't gonna be accurate, right? Which is why you're in the fucking 7-day bootcamp and you're gonna get all the fucking sauce. Because if my zones are a little bit incorrect, then I'm gonna lose that fucking trade because I'm getting in where the fake outs can happen rather than where the confirmations can happen. You feel what I'm saying? So just because when this candle closed here, bro, I'm like, okay, it closed right here, but now let's give it a different situation, right? Price came down here, then price came up. Massive wick rejections, right? So now we have a break and retest of the small area here. If you were to draw that out, now you have wick rejections, and then you can sell below your little 5-minute range, which we had right there. So it's all about finding the ranges, bro. Like, look, like what got me profitable, bro, I'm gonna tell you what I used to do. I used to go on the hourly time frame, and I used to go on Zoom, bro, and I used to just I used to go right here, and I used to just start drawing out my ranges, bro. So notice how many ranges I can find that are candlestick confirmations. I can find this range right here, bullish engulfing candle, entry to push, right? I found my range right here, boom, bearish. So now I found my range right here, bullish. So now I found my range right here, bullish, right? So now I found my range right here. We kind of get that little fake out, but then if you give your trade a second chance, we get that bullish, bearish, right? Now look at this, bro. If I decide to mark up this range here, look at that fucking confirmation. Look at this confirmation. Now let's look over here. Boom, we have a little sell over here that we can catch. We have this range here that we can potentially push up, right? It's just finding these little ranges where momentum is dying. Because once momentum dies, now it's like, okay, because price can die, momentum can die right here. But if we don't get that confirmation to continue pushing up, there's no trade. But where do we get the confirmation? Below our support, right here, wick rejection, wait for the top wick, execute here. Well, you guys probably don't see that on YouTube, but you guys gotta be in the zone for that reason. No, I'm kidding. I'll show you guys. So right here, right? Let's say we get that push. Like, bro, there's so many areas where I see, bro, and this is what I used to do. It's just like, why do you think I always come to the charts and look for no trade ranges? It's because this is my no trade range. 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 This is my no trade range, right? This is my no trade range. So it's like, if I could just look for my no trade ranges and wait for the candlestick confirmations, right, to push up or push lower, I don't need a bias.
Right. Because
I don't need a bias because there's like momentum's dying here. So let's just wait for the confirmation to tell us where price is going to go. Because just because momentum's dying and we're bullish doesn't mean that we're still bullish. Like during your session, right? Let's say price is bullish in this time frame, so we're bullish. That doesn't mean you can't execute on this sell during your session.
Right.
right? Because just because we're bullish overall doesn't mean that we're bullish during your session or the times that you're looking for the trade, right? So it's like,
Yeah.
that's when you start to look at like range 2 formations and all this other stuff.
Right.
which
To
we'll
get a
be
little more
talking about.
confirmation for the
It-
counter
it-
trend. Yeah.
Exactly, bro. I mean, I always say stick to the trend, but bro, there's sometimes that like you get confirmation for the other side, and just because you have stick to the trend in your favor or stick to your trend in your freaking head, it's like you're scared to execute that position because it's not with the trend. But
Right.
it's the position that the market gave you during that session, right? Because if we're sitting here, we have to be willing to switch our bias. We have to be willing to have a plan for either side, like I have here, right? Like I know that if price starts to break this area, we're bullish, right? We're bullish coming up here. We're creating higher lows, and higher lows. But now we're breaking a higher low and we're breaking structure. So why wouldn't I risk on the risky side?
Yep.
So it's like, yeah, it's risky. So maybe we could lower our risk on that position. Maybe we could throw half a position on the breakout, wait for that little range to form, and then throw another half once we get that confirmation, right? There's different ways to actually execute this position, even though it is risky, right? But at the end of the day, it's like, what session gave your confirmation?
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
I mean,
we all
like-
know that pullbacks are going to happen, and like they're all just a natural part of how price action will move. So you gotta, like you said, you gotta have a plan for both sides, no matter what.
Bro, like exactly, bro. So like that's why whenever people say I'm bullish for the day, like what, you're scared to take a sell? Like what the fuck are you trying to tell me, bro? Like what, you shouldn't take a sell even if I have all my confirmations or confluences? Like that's what I'm saying. It's not about, oh, you're wrong for not sticking to the trend. It's like you can be right in certain situations if you just know how to use it.
Right.
But it's all about that know-how, bro. So I can teach you how to use it, but are you gonna apply it the same way? It's how it continuously goes. That's why with the 7-day bootcamp, bro, I'm gonna teach it, and then you're gonna watch me do it live. You feel me?
Right.
So it gives you like the ultimate confirmation of the strategy. If I fucking sit here, I teach you what I teach, and now we're taking trades based off what I taught you. A lot of people, what they teach, they sell you a course, but it's like, yo, did this shit even fucking work in the live market? You know what I mean? And it's hard to have confidence in something when you don't see it play out in front of your eyes, bro. That's my whole goal with this with the bootcamp, bro. It's just like me teaching you something and then me using it in the live market for you, so you guys can have that confidence. I already have the utmost confidence in this fucking strategy, right? But it's how can I show you guys that this shit works? That's why I do my live YouTubes. That's why I do my live Zooms. That's why I do all this shit.
The live
Yeah.
streaming piece for me is like, okay, if someone's got enough confidence to go on YouTube and do this in front of, you know, whatever, a couple hundred people or 1,000 people, like clearly they think they know what they're doing. And then it's like, yeah, you can see the success on it when you're just like Don Bo's got like some 80% win rate over 3 years. It's like,
Yeah, and then
this
like
isn't an
a lot of people still doubt him, right? A lot of
Yeah.
people say, "Oh, his risk to reward isn't there." Or but at the end of the day, bro, there's a million ways to make $1 million in this fucking market.
Right.
You know, like whether I think it's wrong or right, if that motherfucker's making money, like all power to him. Maybe I should hop on his Zooms, learn a little something
Right.
off of him, which is what I've done, right? It's like I'm always a student of the game, bro, and that's how you should be too. I can teach you exactly how I trade, but I don't expect that to be the end of your education on Forex.
right.
You know?
Exactly.
So it's like continuously trying to learn how to figure out what works for you, right? But if you don't try different things, bro, like I can teach you how I trade. Is that how you're gonna trade it in a year? I don't know, but I'm gonna still teach you how to do it because I want you to understand the way I trade. Maybe you take a little bit of things from me and then use it with other things that you've learned, right? I'm not a mixture of one person when it comes to Forex. You know what I'm
Well,
saying?
That's why I like watching Official, Lynn, you,
Yeah.
and Don Bo, and even Snipes, because it's all pretty similar, but sometimes it's like, oh, this is how maybe Official took her zone here, as opposed to maybe like you, and just like calibrating how well that I'm seeing whatever, and yeah, making that little mix happen basically.
100%, and it's about like not having that ego, right? Sometimes like I didn't fuck like me and Lambro grew up in the same spot, right? Like in the same area and shit, and then we had gotten into like a little argument and shit, like locally, and
Oh,
it's
no.
like oh I don't want to learn from this guy, but I still learned from him because I didn't have that ego. Trading versus personal shit, it's not gonna get in the way. I know this guy has value to teach me, So let me just learn even though I don't fuck with him. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna just pick up on what he has to say because at the end of the day, everybody has something to offer, bro. Like whether you're not profitable, I can learn from your mistakes. Whether you're profitable as fuck, I can learn from your achievements.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? So it's like whenever I look at life, bro, it's like life is a school, bro, and everyone's your teacher. If your ego isn't there, right? Because I know a lot of like unsuccessful people where I learn from what they're not doing, right? If you're not successful, why are you not successful? Like what is it that I need to do to make me successful? Is doing the opposite of you, correct?
Literally the opposite,
Like,
right? Yeah.
Not you, but I'm saying it in general, you know?
Right. That unsuccessful person, yeah.
Exactly. So it's like if I just look at my whole entire life, bro, and I've taken that into business, it's like, yeah, like I'm more successful than my marketing person, right? But it's like if my marketing person knows how to do something, why am I gonna put him below me? Like
Right.
I'm not there on marketing level. You get what I'm saying? So it's like I can learn something from him in that aspect of things, and the same way he can learn from me. The same way I tell every single person in the motherfucking chat, bro. It's like you guys can talk all your shit you want, and I'm here learning from you guys because I don't look down on you guys. I look like we're on the same fucking level. No matter how much money I got, no matter what I got, no matter what I've achieved, no matter my failures, bro. Everybody has fucking failures. It's all about you being able to fucking understand that you're not the only motherfucker going through shit.
Right. It's the community building where it's like we're all here grinding. Everybody who's here, right, is the one who thinks they've got more potential for whatever, and we're all just trying to capture that, right? And then
Exactly, bro.
you're
And then
surrounded by those people. It's like that's the best environment you can be in to develop.
someone said he's on crack. I'm not on crack. I can promise you that, boys. But at the end of the day, it's like whenever I see people like that, they just feel like it's like, oh, bro, I'm the only person going through this right now, and they fucking feel bad about themselves. I was like, bro, like at the end of the day, you need to sit yourself down, go on a fucking trip and do some fucking ayahuasca or some shit. You know,
right.
where you can fucking where you can find yourself, bro. Because clearly the people who think like that, they don't see themselves in the future. They think about themselves in the present. And it's like every single time I get put in a bad position, I don't look at myself and say, oh, everybody goes through this, right? Or feel bad about myself. It's like, bro, you put yourself in this situation, how can you get yourself out? I take full accountability for what I'm going through. I take full responsibility for what I'm going through. And it's like, if I didn't do that, there wouldn't be no achievement. You know, like a lot of people, what they want to do is just fucking blame others and fucking just look at other aspects of life that it's like completely irrelevant, but that's how they fucking can sleep at night. No, bro, there was a lot of times where I was fucking depressed as fuck because I wasn't putting in the work.
Right.
And that's the main reason was because I wasn't putting in the work. It wasn't because, oh, my mom beat me or my dad beat me or like all this other shit that has nothing to do with who you are right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had an alcoholic stepdad where he would fuck us up, right? But it's not like my brother, on the other hand, my brother looks at that to this day and he puts blame on him. I look at it and I'm like, yeah, we went through that, but how can I be better from that? You get what I'm saying? So it's like, it's just the difference of being it's a winner or a loser, bro. It's like, whenever Tom Brady loses, you think he's blaming his teammates, bro? Like,
No, he just steps up and wins somehow. Just like that.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, like, Tom Brady's a winner. Like, if you think he gives a fuck about his last championship, you're tripping, bro. He goes to his fucking room and he sees all the 6. How many rings does he have now? 6
He's like,
rings?
I want the next one. He's thinking about the next one, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But even if he doesn't get the next one, he's able to look back and see all the other ones, right?
Right.
So it's like, that's where I'm at now. Like, even if I don't win my next trade, I can look back at all the trades that I've won. So I want to get you guys there where it's like, yo, like, the losses don't even matter to you because of how so much in profit you are from when you first started.
Right. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, exactly.
You know, so like every time I lose $4,000, it's like, holy fuck, I got to lose $4,000. Like, I didn't even have that shit. You know what I mean?
50. Yeah, exactly.
So it's like, and then, yeah, manifestation is completely real. Like, I never told myself I wasn't going to be where I'm at today. Like, and it's because I just had this, dude, I remember like when I was in, damn, bro, this is crazy. I'm going back.
Yeah.
When my, I remember, dude, I was like 8, 9 years old. And then my mom gave us $100 each. And she gave it to my grandma to take us to Toys R Us. And then my brother was buying the whole fucking store, right? He felt rich as fuck. And I said, no, I want to save it. I saved my $100 at 9 years old, bro.
It's a lot of, yeah, I was going to say, it's pretty pretty sharp.
And then she was like, "Why are you saving it?" And we had this whole conversation at 9 years old, bro. And I told her, and I told my grandma, and she's not here right now, but I told my grandma that like my goal is just to retire you and like buy you a fucking house. Even back then, bro, like. Yeah. It's just I've always felt this way, bro, and like I've always talked to my mom, even when I was working a job at BJ's, living with her, and not knowing where my life was gonna be. I was like, you guys are looking down on me right now, but just give me a fucking few years, because I just didn't know where I wanted to be. But once I found out where I wanted to be and where I want my life to go, that's when shit changed. But like a lot of people, they're not. I wouldn't call them unsuccessful. I would just call them. Like they have no like route to where they want to go.
Yep.
You know, it's like you just don't
comfortable, right? Yeah.
And it's just like, bro, like they just don't know where to go, bro, and they feel stuck, and they feel like, yo, like where they want to be, it's unattainable, you know? Right. But like it's just because they don't see. That's why I said it today on the boot camp, bro. It's like when you start looking at your life in a weekly basis, bro, you start to see the growth. But when you look at your life on 2 years from now, you don't see shit, bro. You know, but when you see yourself, and I look back to where I was a week ago, and it's like, nigga, I'm up. Like, I can lose today and I'm still up because I'm in a different place mentally, right? But like people, what they like to do is they like to look at them, oh, I'm not where I want to be in a year. Like, yo, of course not. You haven't worked for a year. You know?
Yeah, exactly. Like, it hasn't been a year since you've been trying this. Yeah, exactly.
So it's like little by little, that's when like I realized that it's like it's more than just what you want to be. It's about the mindset to get there.
It's all mindset. Yeah, it really is just all like it's every hour, right? Like really, if you're looking at every week or every day.
And it really sounds like it really sounds corny when you talk about it, like, oh, mindset's everything, but it's like, bro, it's just the fucking truth, bro. You guys just really have to find. I can give you all the advice in the world, but if this is truly not your passion and this is just your way out, you're not gonna succeed. You know, it's about finding that passion, finding where you can be different, or finding what you're passionate about. Whether that's selling clothes, whether that's weed, steroids, hits, or whatever the fuck this guy's Jesus Cantina saying. He's just a hater in the chat, bro. But clearly, whenever you hate, look, what I've noticed is all the love I get is from people above me, and all the hate I get is from people below me. You know what I mean? The hate comes from below. Look, hate comes from below, and the love comes from above, bro. You know?
You would never meet a hater doing better than you. Never.
Yeah, bro. And it's fucking sad. Like, so it's like, Jesus, like, are you here to hate or are you here to learn, bro? Like, that's how I see it.
Right.
So it's like, you can hate on me, bro. My life doesn't change. You know what I mean? Like, I've worked hard to say that, like, even though people don't like me, or people, I would hate me too, bro. You see a 5'3" fucking person driving a Corvette at 23 years old, 24 years old, blasting his fucking music. Like, this is what I said at the red light the other day. I was blasting my music at 4 a.m. in the morning, driving to the gas station after stream. I just caught a fucking banger. I made fucking $4,000. And then, like, I'm blasting my music. This guy just got out of fucking work. Like, and he was looking at me with a bitch face. I lowered my window and I said, I would hate me too. You know, like, I would hate me too. Like, so it's like, that's where I'm at. I'm at a different frequency. Like, people hate on me all the time and it just doesn't even hit. It just drives me more. Like, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my haters. Because I looked at my yesterday's stream. I caught a banger and then I put Love Sosa on. I put my glasses on. And it's like, yo, imagine the haters in the chat right now watching me dance and shit. Like, like they're hating me even more. And I love it, bro. Because if you hate watching me win, you're going to hate your life, bro. Because I'm going to keep winning. That's how I say all the fucking time, bro. And even if I don't win today, or if I don't win tomorrow, or if I don't win ever again, I'm a winner in my fucking head, bro. And I don't depend on someone else's, I don't depend on anyone's, like, opinion of me. You know, because I know what I've done and I know what I've built. That's where I'm at.
Gotta keep showing up. That's how it's
I
done.
just gotta keep showing up, bro. And there's no quit in me, bro. As many times as I wanted to quit, right? Like that, it's the reality of it, bro. If you think that I never thought about quitting, like you're out of your fucking mind. Right. When I was going broke buying challenges and going broke blowing accounts, like you're out of your mind if I didn't have that thought in my head. Like, maybe this isn't for me, right? But if I didn't push through those times and like really push through those times, then and notice and realize like my life could become much better than this. That's why I never tried to tell anybody to steer away from Forex, because I know what it can bring them. But there's just some people that are just not built for this shit, you know, and they can take what they learned in Forex and build businesses, and just the same way I have, bro. Like I use everything I learned from Forex to make me the person I am today.
Right. And again, I really can't say enough about just kind of what you guys are all doing here with all this too. Like it really, I know for me, it's going to help me a lot, and for all the people watching and all that good stuff, and in the community that you continue to grow, you know, it's going to be very impactful. So thank you again.
Yeah, anytime, bro. And if you have any, Snipes is killing it, bro. You got to understand, like when I met Snipes, bro, like I met him on stream, bro, believe it or not. Like I didn't know that he was my sister's friend when I met him. And then I saw him, I knew he was a chat member in the chat. Like he was chatting just like you fuckers, you know? Like that's how I know that anybody can do it, you know? Like it's like, if he did it, like why the fuck can't you guys, you know? So it's like whenever I saw Snipes and he was downstairs in my house, and I walk in and I'm like, yo, who the fuck is this guy, you know? And then he was telling me, yo, bro, like I'm in trading and shit, I watch your Zooms every day. I was like, yo, really, bro? Just, all right. That's when I brought him under my wing, and I was like, bro, watch this, right? And once he saw the results I was gaining, that's why I always say, bro, you are who you surround yourself with, bro. Show me your 5 friends and I'll show you your future.
Oh yeah, that couldn't be more true. That's been,
and it's not just true in trading, bro. It's like everything.
No, it's not. Trading actually has like I've always heard, like one of my good friends who trades too says it, if you get good at trading, it actually is like a good test of like your character, because you have to change certain things about yourself, whether it's discipline or patience, or it like really reveals a lot about who you are as a person in a lot of ways. And so I think that that's definitely just one of the examples there, where it's just like, you stick with it.
They asked me how the casino went. Oh, it went okay. You know, it went all right. We made a little bag. You know, something
a little bag.
Yeah, I'm a winner. Simple. No matter where I go, bro. And we were down too. And I told JP, I'm like, yo, JP, we gotta take out some more money and watch us win, bro. JP, I think he was down, what, like $500 or some shit? He was tripping out. And I was like, yo, JP, trust me, take out another 500. I took it out another 2,000. And bro, we're up. We're up what, $4,000? Something like.
Something like, sheesh.
Yo, and we were faded by the end of it.
For real?
Faded. But it's like, and I noticed too, bro, like when I come drunk to stream, I just get fearless, bro. I throw the biggest lot I've ever fucking thrown. And it's like, sometimes it could be a bad thing, right? But most of the time it hasn't been. Like you lose the emotional part to the money, bro. But I wouldn't say drink. Don't drink.
There's
guys.
no way around it. Like you lost so much that's like, who gives a fuck anymore?
Facts. Thank you, man. This is priceless. Yeah. Show them blues. GJ buys look the same as last night. No, it does not. It doesn't, bro. We need a candle closure. If we could get a candle, I just don't like this momentum candle, boys. This momentum candle could either bleed or fly. So what we can do, look, this is now an inside candle setting up, right? So what I'm gonna do, guys, here, this will be my trade for tonight. I'm gonna set some sell stops at the break of this low here, and this will be my trade. Why am I setting sell stops here? If anybody can answer, you guys got my. Oh shit, sorry, Kyle. I don't know if you want it to be if you want to be muted, that's fine, bro.
I'm chilling.
All right, cool. All my friends and family told me that it's gambling. Yeah, trust me, my mom told me it was gambling until I showed her my bank account. They don't believe you until you show her fucking results, bro. I promise you. Now my mom asks me for money every fucking day. So it's like, oh, mom, I thought it was gambling though. Now you want my gambling money? What's up with that? I tell her all the time, like, yo, she never really believed in me, chat. So that's another thing that I say, right? Whenever you feel like your mom doesn't believe in you, you feel like you're the only person that you're going through that. It's not the fucking case, dude. No mom believes in you until you show her results. Because if not, they think you're stupid. If you don't go to university, if you don't graduate high school, if you don't do all this other shit that the norm does, right? But a big thing is that sometimes, like, bro, my mom calls me, right? And she's like, oh, why didn't you answer me in the morning? It's because I don't wake up in the morning. Like, I'm not normal. I'm not a normie, you know? Like, you might think it's weird and different for me to wake up late at night, but I know
He's
what
not
pays the
even
bills.
flexing, guys. Please understand this, guys. He's not even flexing. He's
Yo.
just saying this. The man just wakes up whenever the fuck he wants. Bro.
As much as I wanted to like not be that way, you know, like it's just the reality of it. Like I know that I have to be during London session because I've tried New York, I've tried Asian. It just doesn't bring the same results. So why am I gonna keep doing it? So whenever like my dad calls me, even my dad, bro, my dad's like, yo, what are you doing waking up at fucking 6 p.m.? It's like, you're not doing what I'm doing, bro. I don't have to wake up and go to work like you do. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I don't have to like, I know where I have to be to pay my bills. So don't fucking judge me for it. Because you're not paying my bills. That's how I see it. So it's like little by little, your mom will understand you not being normal. And when they see the results, like, yo, if you think that my mom, bro, when I bought my car, bro, they were like, you're stupid, blah, blah. How can you afford that? It's like, bro, what do you mean, how can I afford it, bro? Like, I bought that shit with, like, my side money. It's like, it's different. It's a different type of level, bro. My dad has never had a car like that. My dad low-key hates on me sometimes. Like, I tell him how much I made, like, last week, and then, like, you can tell the hate, you know? But, like, it's like, no, everybody loves you until you're doing better than them. Dude, it's so bad. It's just the reality of it, bro. But at the end of the day, my parents still teach me to this day what humility is, what being humble is. Like, the humble don't sell. Simple. Being honest, bro. Like, yo, do you really want to learn off of me if I told you that I just live a regular fucking life? Like, no. I still live a regular fucking life, but my life is regular to me, but it's not regular to other people. You know what I mean? Little by little, you'll get it, boys. Tell them be humble. You is humble. I am humble, bro. But like, people think it's not humble. Like, I remember talking to my brother, bro. And when I was speaking to my brother, it was like I was talking to him about my goals in the next year, or my goals in the next month, or my goals in the next 2 years. And he thought it was bragging, you know. And I'm not bragging, bro. I'm just being honest. It's sad that people look at it as bragging when at the end of the day, we all know that like being the person you want to be can be bragging to someone because you did it, and then they don't see themselves doing it. They never saw themselves doing it. They never talked about their life how you talk about yours, and that's just not bragging, bro.
And that's the whole point. That's the whole point of doing something which people think it's impossible, and you make it possible, and they will still look at it as like they can't achieve that shit. And you out here basically telling people that it's possible. Like, look, I'm a living proof of that shit. And that's kind of the best thing about it. It's like a lot of people
it's just hard to believe,
a lot of people
bro.
doubt, and the crazy thing is like they don't understand what you have to do to get to where you are. Everybody see you right now, you're up. Everybody see you right now, you're up. Like, you got the nice car, whatever, but they didn't know what the fuck you had to do to get here.
100%,
and that's kind of,
bro.
that's kind of,
and I'm bigger, and I'm bigger than a car, bro.
Exactly. but that's the reason why I hate social media, because it's like
I got the car because of social media, honestly. Like, that's what people like to see, so it's like, I'm gonna get it for them. But at the end of the day, like, I was happy with my Chevrolet. I was happy with my Maserati. I was happy with these cars that didn't mean shit to other people. But it's like, yo, if the people want to see what I have, and it's like, bro, everybody thinks that you need to buy the car outright, right? Like, a Lamborghini, bro, you only need $60,000. You have a Lamborghini. Like, it's not about like, oh, you paid $300,000 outright. No, bro, this world runs on credit, brother. This world runs on credit, and all the brokies don't know that shit because they've never been to buy a fucking car like that. It's like, be different, boys. Be fucking different. Like, stop looking at the car and stop letting the car impress you. Like, what has the person done for you to get you to where he wants to be? Like, don't follow the person that just shows you what they have and not teach you how to get it. I show you what I have and I teach you how to get it. That's the difference between me and them, bro. Like, they'll try to charge you for fucking shit. You know how much I sold my fucking 7-day bootcamp for? $35 fucking dollars, bro. Your McDonald's meals is more than that shit. Everybody that I'm friends with, all the mentors that I'm friends with, they call me stupid. But no, bro, I'm doing something different that you guys don't even want to do because you guys are so greedy. I already got money. I already got all that shit. Fuck, I need to keep milking the poor people that are trying to make it out the fucking mud out of this shit. Why do I gotta keep milking you guys? I don't. Honestly, bro. And not only that, I give back, bro. None of these fucking people give back, bro. They rob you for $2,000 and they sell you another program. And they sell you another indicator. And they sell you another bot. And they sell you another challenge passing. I don't need that shit. I'm here to make money with you guys.
You want people to be better than you. And those people, they don't want competition. That's the difference right there.
100%.
And I think a lot of people don't understand that.
And then when people look at me, right, they look at me and they're like, yo, this guy's giving his course for $35. Hella people are getting impacted from it. Why do you think they don't want me to sell it at $35? Because I'm bringing down the market. You know, now they gotta fucking bring down their market. Even though they're not gonna, because they're greedy fucks. But I'm not greedy, bro. I'm not in it for the money. I'm here to impact people. Because if I can make more people rich, I become richer. That's how I see it. Bro, the other day, my student got a $64,000 fucking payout. He sent me $4,000 on Zelle. Said, thanks, bro. He never bought any of my shit. He didn't buy a course. He didn't buy anything. You know where he was, chat? Just like you guys are right now. In the fucking chat. That's all he did. He got funded. He got a $64,000 payout. He changed his fucking life. And he didn't forget where he came from. I wasn't even expecting that shit. A lot of people forget where they came from. A lot of people say, oh, you helped me out. But I did it all on my own. You know what a good leader is? A good leader is somebody who shows them the way, puts in their work with them, and then they think they did it all themselves. That's a good leader. Because you led them to make them feel like they did it all on themselves. It's the reality of it, man. Yo, Nightbot, drop the book. It's on the VIP, bro. It's 35 bucks. And I haven't turned it off. I said I was going to keep it there for like, what? Times, how long did I say I was going to keep it there for?
You were gonna leave it there for like a little bit of time. No?
Yeah, like 24 hours.
Yeah, like 24 hours, and that's just so up.
We're gonna keep it like that, bro. Fuck it.
Sorry.
Okay, guys. Look, 3 minutes and this candle closes. Look, I'm gonna delete this buy stop right now. Let me delete it on my thing because I want to see how this candle here closes. I want to see if the next candle can close below 0.50 here, boys. If we can close below 0.50 here, then I'm willing to execute. Because if not, guys, guess what? This just changed into no trade range here. This turned into risky buys. So notice, guys, I'm not just keeping the same levels. Now shit's changed, right? We got that push to the downside. Now we're creating the range 2. So if we break out of range 2, we're clean for sells. So now this is safe sells. This is risky buys now. Why? Why is it risky buys? Just due to the fact that we're going up like against this big momentum candle. So now we just wait, right? We're waiting for that candle to close. If we can close below here, potential trade here in 2 minutes if we decide to rip down, which I don't think is going to happen, but potential trade on the next 30-minute candle. I'm going to stay on here with you guys. I'm going to try to catch a banger with you guys, but we got to wait for confirmations. Nothing fucking changes. Want to pass one of my challenges for 150? No, bro. I honestly don't like passing people challenges anymore because people don't understand the risks, bro. Do I pass every single challenge I attempt to pass? No, I don't. Why? Because there's a fucking bot trading it. Do I control a fucking bot? No, I fucking don't. And then people try to blame me. Oh, you blew my challenge, bro. It was the last bit of money I had. Well, bitch, understand the risks. Stop asking me to fucking pass your challenge if you haven't learned the skill. Simple, bro. That's how I feel, bro. Fuck challenge passing, bro. At the end of the day, I know so many people are gonna text me tonight about challenge passing, but so many people don't understand the risks. So I'm not willing to do it no more, boys. Challenge passing is the end of the end. Tonight's the end of challenge passing, boys. Fuck that. A lot of motherfuckers don't understand the risks, bro. And I've been so real on stream with the challenge passing. I tell you guys I don't pass every challenge. I tell you guys there's risks. I tell you guys have to agree to my terms of services. I tell you guys that there's a 30% chance, 30 to 20% chance that the bot is gonna blow your fucking account. And then it blows the account and you guys come at me bitching. Like, bro, at the end of the day, fuck off. You got 2 hands to pull the trigger yourself. Facts, bro. Learn to pass your own challenge for you to deserve the account. Big facts. No risk, no Rari. People are lazy, man. And bro, at the end of the day, like, of course I was gonna accept $1,000 per challenge. Of course I was gonna accept $2,000 a challenge. Of course, bro. What the fuck you mean? I'll attempt to pass it. I'm not guaranteeing you shit. Because it's just not the case. As much as I want you guys to fucking pass the challenge, I wish, listen, if anything was guaranteed in this game, I'd be a fucking billionaire. I would be a billionaire if my bot passed every fucking challenge. I'm just being completely 100, bro. This is what a lot of people guaranteeing you challenge, guaranteeing you refunds, guaranteeing you all this shit that they don't fucking do. Me and Snipes have never guaranteed a refund ever. Me and Snipes have never guaranteed a pass challenge ever. You know why? Due to the fact that it's not the case and we don't lie to the people who support us. It's the only reason why. I could tell you 100% guaranteed tomorrow. You guys will all buy it. But is it really 100% guaranteed? No. So why would I tell you guys that? So start looking at the fakes in the industry that all they depend on is challenge passing. It's fucking sad, bro. It's fucking sad. Because we all know that they blow accounts. We all know that they blow accounts. And I know a lot of people have gotten affected from that shit. Yo, Dollar, what are you drinking? Nothing, bro. Just passionate. Just passionate, man. I mean it. Alright, boys, right here. You boys ready? 15-minute time frames looking like a beautiful... Yo, Snipes. What does it look like to you?
Dude, the thing is that today, I mean, at least gold has been like not the best, but I didn't really trade GJ today.
You know,
it looks like it wants. I do think GJ wants to sell off right now, though. It looks nice for sells, but I am not touching the market today. I already lost. I lost 1.5% today.
All right, well, you know what you have to do to fix your psychology? You gotta trade a different pair.
Yeah, I know, and I kept on trading. I took three trades on gold. I actually managed risk on two of them. I closed half on the first one. The second one I got break even, and the other one I also closed half as well.
Oh my god, this is looking so clean, Snipes. If you don't take it with me, I'm gonna go to your house and pull the trigger myself.
Did I just fucking do it?
No, but wait, we're waiting for closures. Guys, we're waiting 15 minutes here for closures, bro. This is coming down in the first 12 minutes. What tells me when a candle comes down in the first 12 minutes? Could be wrong in this scenario, but when it bleeds in the first 5 minutes of the candle, more likely than not, it comes back up to make a wick. If not, we get a candle below, closure below, and we sell below that candle.
That's so nice, bro. Holy fuck.
We have a clean, even if we don't sell here, right, chat? Even if we don't sell here, this is how I'm seeing it right now, Snipes. Even if we don't sell here, this can still be considered. What? Tell me the answer, Snipes.
Wait, what happened? What did he say?
Damn, bro, you're not even paying attention?
Dude, I was looking at my other screen.
No, that's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What happened? What happened?
No, look, this is risky sells, right? Because there's not a big range.
Yeah, exactly.
If there was a bigger range here to the downside, this is a 12, 11 pip range. I could miss out on this move to then get confirmations down under here.
Yeah. So you're talking about a range 2.
Range 2. Even though we've already formed that range 2. This is the actual range 2, but there's a tiny ass level of support here, which could fuck us up.
Yeah.
So, better wait. Guys, I'm going to tell the 502 people in this chat right now. If you guys buy a challenge passing from anyone, you're not a fucking trader. Simple. You're not a trader. You're a little lazy fuck. Remember that shit. You're a lazy fuck. And there's people in here that like, I'm taking their challenges right now. And I'm telling you right now, you're a lazy fuck. No, I don't, bro. I don't care for lazy people.
Yo.
But I kind of understand it, you know. Just a little shortcut to the way. But guys, like, once you learn the skill, bro, you won't need to put your dependency on anyone, which is what I was saying earlier, bro. Once you learn the skill, you're not dependent on if this guy's gonna pass your challenge or not. You're not dependent on. So like, if you guys do a challenge passing with someone right now, I get it. I understand. But I need you guys to understand that there's risks involved, and don't be getting mad at the person managing it for you. Get mad at yourself for taking the risk. That's all I'm saying. At the end of the day, that's all it is, man. All we have to do is pull up, make some fucking money, and that's it. Because once you learn the skill, bro, get ready for the uptrend of your life, boys. Get ready for the uptrend of your motherfucking life. Everybody put W's in the chat if you're ready to uptrend of your life. Bounce off the Fibonacci long, 618 rejection, bullish engulfing candle, no trade range, buys above, clean. There we go. There we go, boys. That's all I'm saying, man. Bullish engulfing candle life facts. And I mean it, boys. Like, just be smart, boys. Be smart with your money. Be smart with the people you invest in, and be smart with the people who are actually there for you. That's all I'm saying, bro. I'm here for you guys every fucking night, bro. That's why I say it. A lot of people can't say that. Snipes is here for you guys every fucking night. Link to the bootcamp. Everybody wants a bootcamp, bro. Oh my god, is it gonna wait for us, guys? We gotta wait here 8 minutes. 8 minutes? Will it wait, Snipes?
Dude, this shit's fucking... I don't even know what to say anymore. Because, bro, I like stops above that wick, but it's already like 10 pips in profit for that. And then you're willing to get in at the breakout, right?
No, I'm waiting for a candle closure here.
For a candle closure?
8 minutes. 8 minutes, bro.
I think
Is
it's
it gonna wait, chat?
I think it's gonna wait.
You hope.
For the, no. So the 15-minute closes in 8, right? But the 30-minute closes in 23. And if the 20-minute
and then the 4-hour closes.
But if the 30-minute closes right there, then fuck, dude. I wouldn't even get on that sell because we're like losing momentum. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what. But if the 15 closes there and then the 30 minutes starts driving down, then it would be clean. I don't know. We gotta wait and see what the fuck happens.
Either way, bro, the way I see it, dude, is that how can I manage my risk?
Yeah.
Like closing above the 5-minute high here. That'll be my close half. So it's like now it's like, okay, I have a potential position here, and now I can close half at a certain area. So it's like, why not take the trade if I know I'm gonna lose less? But let's wait, boys. I mean, guys, you guys know what we do here, man. We wait for candle closures. If the candle doesn't close where I like it, no fucking trade. Simple. You don't act like you guys are surprised here. We're not looking for anything different. Kyle, are we looking for anything different?
All the rules.
Follow the rules, bro. If it moves, it moves. If it doesn't, if it waits, it waits. If it waits, we got a potential trade. If it doesn't wait, we're on to the next day. We just got a 100-pip banger last night, boys. No chance in hell you guys need more profits. You guys can be done for the week.
Euro JPY is pretty much doing the exact same thing right now.
Oh my god, this song is so good, Snipes. Can I put it up?
Put it up, yeah.
What's up with Euro JPY, Kyle? Ooh, same exact setup, bro. That's insane.
Yeah, but your GPY is coming down here. Oh no, never mind. It's doing the same shit.
Super similar one. This is one that I still know how to take the right way.
I'm glad he caught it. I'm glad he caught it. This is clean, bro. This is clean. You just gotta wait. Rule breaker? Rule breaker if it doesn't close below and we take the trade. Still not a rule breaker because we're not in a fucking trade. Fucker. What do you call it? An evening star pattern? I don't know. That's a the Snipes question. Right here?
No. Because an evening star would be better if it was like a longer bullish candle.
Like a longer retracement. Like if it came up here and then it formed that.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No closure, no entry, boys. Simple. 24/7 gambling. Oh, bro, is that what you do on your account? That's not what we do. Thank you, Patty. Patty's such a great mod. At the end of the day, guys, as much as you guys want to make it seem like trading isn't gambling, bro, same fucking shit. It's calculated risk, bro. There's poker players who make money, bro. So that's what all I have to say. Every time somebody tells me that trading's not gambling, they just have a strategy to win. I have a strategy to win. Calculated risk, brother. That's why poker players become such good traders. Look at Lorenzo Corrada, bro. Shout out to my boy. If you guys don't watch his stream, go tap into his stream, bro. Go. Kyle, you watch him?
I was gonna say it again. Lorenzo, what?
Lorenzo Corrada, bro. I definitely recommend him. He's a good guy. And he trades like off the 1 minute and shit. But he used to play poker professionally, bro.
Off the 1 minute?
Off the 1 minute, 5 minute and shit.
Oh shit.
But he be banging.
You be banging those for real?
Yeah, he's a savage with it. And he's a good guy. He supports our stream. Do you use the same bot for account management as for challenge passing? Yeah. He is big on correlations, facts. But look at this patience, Snipes.
No,
Patience is such a virtue.
Yo, by the way, I know that Amira, she got mad at me because I was eating her yogurts. I got her some fucking yogurts today.
Good. Did you tell her?
No, I haven't told her. I just want her to see them.
Yeah. Yo, facts, COD. And he does crypto streams too. Yeah, he does. What will we learn in the 7-day bootcamp? Tomorrow is what? Support resistance, trend lines. I don't know, just check my story, man. Yo, Snipes, did you send the fucking stream?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Yo, I called you, I was so pissed.
Dude, I forgot.
I had people texting me and shit. I was like, no way, Snipes.
Dude, I was like, I was watching Avatar.
No, again? How many times you gonna watch that shit?
No, we're finishing it, dude. That shit's like 10 hours long.
Yo, facts. $8. Sometimes you take impulse entries, sometimes you wait for closures. How do you decide that? Is if I'm willing to take an impulse entry when I get confirmations on the previous candle, bro. I usually always wait for closures, bro. Yesterday I didn't. When I take aggressive impulse entries is when I'm taking a reversal of the trend. The only time. I wouldn't take this impulse entry though. We've already dropped a lot. Honestly, this level's holding up pretty hard. But it's such a clean gambler, Snipes.
It's nice. Look at the.
We got a minute here, boys. We gotta close below here.
What was I gonna say? What was the time frame?
We gotta sell below there, boys. We gotta close below that level, bro. If not, I'm gonna call it.
Look at the daily, so you can get motivated.
Dude, we're selling at the daily low. Sheesh. That's so clean.
Oh no, this is gold. No, my bad. Hold up, fuck, my bad.
Well, on the daily on GJ, we're selling at the daily low.
Oh no, the daily on gold is nice as fuck to sell off. But I don't know. You're not looking at gold today, right? Gold was whack, bro.
Really?
I was buying gold like at a bad moment. But it's okay. Shit happens.
Shit happens. I came here for $5,000. Well, you're definitely not gonna win, brother.
Mark Linder, take him off the list. I'm kidding. It's a good, Snipes. Thank you, Jet.
What's up, Daniel?
Look, Michael in here too.
Yo, why did that shit mute me, man? And you didn't look at the fucking chat.
Yeah, my bad. What, you took a trade?
Yeah, 1991 retest on gold.
Sheesh, you're already in profit 20 pips.
19 where? 19 where?
Damn, bro.
1991. I even typed it. I was like, I'll mute my ass.
Yeah. I was thinking buys like a dumbass.
All right, Abhi wins the giveaway today, boys. Abhi, who do you choose to win? Abhi picks the winner today, chat. Yo, guys, we need a closer below. Yo, Danny, you like my trade or what? If I execute.
Yeah, I do. Just need that closure and not let it hold and do what it did yesterday.
That's the thing, bro. It's looking like a reversal. Abhi has to pick, guys. Don't fucking start spamming shit.
And you use what moving averages you use?
The A and the 50. Oh, dude, I don't even have them.
Because on the 1 hour, we're bouncing right at the 50.
Damn, but look at this, bro. It's crossing. At the 50? But I use different ones than you. You use simple?
I use regular ones. I don't use SMAs or EMAs.
Yeah. No closure, guys. No trade. I'm waiting.
Look, Mark said, Abby, remember the time I stopped that guy from robbing your house with that pencil?
Hey, dollar, can you look at GBP USD? Yeah, because we gotta wait 13 minutes here, bro, no matter what. We're in a no trade range here on GBP USD.
Yeah, bitch. Alright, bear back.
Oh, hallelujah. Everything's risky, bro, honestly.
I want you to call it bangers so I can go and gamble in the casino.
Bro, I killed that at the casino today. Did you see?
Nah. You be going to the casino like every day, huh?
No, I stopped that. I had a bad run. That's just fun though. We went today, bro. I put in what, $2,200 and I got out with $4,000.
Oh yeah, that's fire. Yeah, I had a bad run. My bad little run started in Miami when we went. Lasted like 2 weeks.
Yo, those are the worst, bro. That's worse than fucking going on losing streak and trading, bro. I swear.
Facts.
Because you feel like you're gonna win every time.
And for you, it ain't that bad because the casino right there. For me, it's an hour and a half drive.
No way.
Back.
So the drive back is fucked.
That's sad.
But all right, chat. I think we're gonna call it a night here, man. We tried, man. If you guys are in my VIP program or in the 7-day bootcamp, I'll call a signal there for you guys. Guys, the $35 for a 7-day bootcamp. Thank you, Kyle, for pulling up. I appreciate you, brother. Well, I'll see you tomorrow on the bootcamp. Danny, I appreciate you. Snipes, peace out, Snipes.
You're out.
Chat, VIP program, $35 right now. Yeah, I'm out of here. I love you guys. I'll chat you guys tomorrow. Pay attention to our chat, boys. If we get a candle closure, expect a signal. Simple. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.
It's out.
Alright, YouTube, I appreciate all you guys for pulling up, bro. I know I didn't call a trade today, but we're on a fucking 10 trade win streak. So if you are new here, pull up to the stream every single day. We do $50 giveaways every single day. Abby chose Will SS to be the giveaway winner. You want $50? Just DM me your BTC address and a picture of where you actually slide through. Guys, knowledge is fucking for free here. We call banger trades. We didn't call a banger trade. No confirmations for me to take an entry. So I'm not trying to take any entry. You guys know how I roll, bro. We wait for candle closures. If the candles don't come, no entry. I appreciate every single person who pulled up today. I'll pull up tomorrow. We're most likely going to call a trade tomorrow. If you're not in my VIP program, you'll most likely miss this move. So tap into the VIP program. It's only $35. It's pinned in the